Hello YouTube, we are back with another video, and I haven't done a video in a very long time, probably like 2 weeks to be exact. I actually had a video that was supposed to drop from Cancun. We did a sunrise, but I have no idea where those videos went, so I couldn't drop those, but I got the pictures, so maybe I'll show the pictures, or you can just go on my Instagram, DominicB_photography. Today we are going to be going to Pleasure House Point, a nature trail. Haven't done a nature trail in forever, so that should be fun. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, follow the IG, DominicB_photography. I said that before. Let's get into the video. And we are here, about to get strapped in, and never been here before, but it looks kind of cool. Seems like it has multiple interests, so maybe we'll go to another place. So let's get strapped in. Wow, I can't believe I really didn't. I was really like not recording that whole time. That's pretty embarrassing. Not really. Hopefully you guys can see this. I feel like I've been taking pictures, but you guys haven't been able to see the camera screen. I don't know if I like that picture.
Oh, it has a nut in its mouth.
I think I saw that.
Are you gonna take a picture of it?
Where? I don't even know where it is.
It's probably. Up in there. Y'all gonna make me lose my mind.
Ooh, this looks pretty. I don't know if I like this orientation though. Let's try this way. Actually, I think I like the other way better.
And I think because it's like we've only gone to different trails.
Yeah.
It's just new excitement each time. Like there's no acting like how he acts on walk that.
Down in the back. Too bad these fences are right here. These fences are ugly.
This thing.
And these light posts. I wonder if it's like, I wonder if they actually work.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure they work. It's the city of Virginia Beach. They're kind of stricter for stuff like that. They're actually very annoying. I don't think I would like working with them much on this upcoming project.
Ooh, dark.
Hey, come on.
Oh, we can't see the guy. I didn't think he was going to be able to see him. Might be a cool picture.
He's sniffing out different poops, bro.
Think so?
Yeah, you just found one.
Ah, a tree.
Don't go in the road.
Oh, shoot.
I think that's why they put that there. To basically say, hey, that's not where you're supposed to be going.
You're in your natural habitat. This isn't his natural habitat, actually. Maybe if you're like on a farmland or something.
Maybe. I get it. You're a herding dog.
Yeah.
Hey, buddy. Make sure you don't eat anything, okay?
There's bugs. It's like a.
Follow Dad, buddy. Hey, go straight. Follow Dad.
I don't know what I was about to say.
I don't know what you're about to say either. You're going to the beach or something? Got a little sandy. I really want to take him to the beach, but definitely missed that opportunity.
There's a.
Spiderweb?
No, there's like a there's kind of a place that's like beachy that like no one's near. It's actually near, actually. Probably like a minute away. Yeah.
Huh. Yeah, we should test. Okay, kids. Oh, that's. Hey. Oh, let me do an upside down picture of you.
Upside down picture of you.
Oh, that's cute, buddy. That's cute. That's cute. You want some food, buddy? Hey, no. You said, are you couldn't get TikTok?
What are you talking about?
Don't you eat it?
What is he eating?
I don't know. That was a workout.
Yeah, I don't know. Ooh, bridge. Oh, what's this way?
Buddy, Dad is leaving us. Come on. Sand. This is pretty.
Nice. I was wondering when it was going to get pretty.
I wear the wrong shoes. I knew I should have worn my
I don't know why you did.
somebody else. The other person with the dog just touched the kid.
Got a doggy.
It was barking.
Ah, too bad.
Such a sweetheart for not barking.
Too bad the freaking sun is this way, bruh. The sun is OD right now. Dang.
I'm trying to get him to pose. How do you get him to pose, bro?
The sun is not doing me any favors. It's not that easy for me.
At all.
Oh, there's a better picture. There's a better view of it.
Hey.
There we go. Nice.
We just hit the sun because it got extremely hot.
You want to keep going this way, or do you want to go back the bridgeway?
We can keep going this way and then go to Bridgeway.
Oh, okay.
I'm kind of opposed to it. It's a little hot, but you know, it's cool. I'm enjoying it. It's not too terrible.
Oh, snake.
Oh, what?
Just kidding.
What'd you say? Let's turn around now.
Okay, I won't do that again unless there's a real snake. Yeah. I know, but I didn't want to keep doing it like fake, and then like when there's a real snake.
Boy, if you call.
Yeah, you don't freaking, and then you just get snatched up.
Yeah, by an anaconda.
Pretty.
Pretty girl.
Let's see
Right here.
where I can get this picture. Whoa! Yeah, it looks nice.
Dude, you were so pretty. Come on.
Let's do this. Yeah.
Really, dude?
Let's do one with the tree. Hold up. Oh wow, I cannot see the tree at all. The tree in front.
Like, well, maybe throw you in
those
there.
acorns might be cool.
Yeah, I tried to get them on the other side. But... Damn, I got too.
That's hilarious. know, when we first got on the trail, I thought it was going to be ugly.
I mean, it was pretty ugly. It did start like really ugly. So like now we know, like if we were to ever come back here, like
Just
we stop right there by the construction and walk this way.
the water seems so calm. I wish. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get these. We're gonna try though. We're going to try.
Hey, go back here. Come here. Let me see. Stop. Stop. Babe.
Yeah? Do you need help?
Stop.
I don't even want to take this picture, honestly.
Wait. Stop.
I'm gonna still take it though.
I'm not playing with you.
I feel like I have so many pictures like this. Is he being bad now?
Yeah.
You okay?
Hurt my hand.
You good?
Yeah. Wait. The sand is not helping at all. I cannot get a good balance. Control incoming. You think?
I don't know if I like that picture, but whatever. Oh, the bridge. I can see the bridge from here.
Why are you not gonna put that out?
I can see the bridge from here. I can see the bridge from here.
Buddy, you don't even like water.
I have no idea.
It's the least
Link,
that,
I'm gonna
like-
need you to stop so I can, take a picture. Anybody? I can't. I don't remember. They're in my shot. It's whatever though. I guess. I'm gonna have to take some stuff out. Maybe this way. I guess that works.
It's good and chilly again.
Free. I'm gonna take one last picture, I guess. I feel like we're gonna just see the same stuff.
Does this loop around or no?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure it does.
Alright. The girl is getting. Oh, freak.
Okay.
Damn it.
Hey, this is Dominic from the future. I just realized that I'd never recorded an outro, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe for all the IG Dominic B_photography. Let me know in the comments what I can do to make the videos better, what you guys want to see, even some short ideas. I'll take some short ideas. I kind of want to spice it up a little bit, but yeah. I will see you next video.